Joe was one of my best friends in Vietnam. He was a white dude from Georgia, and he had a real accent. Joe used to walk point. Point in a military operation is the first man that leads the company. Joe was walking maybe about the third man in front of me. I was about the third man behind Joe. And then as we were walking along a well-used trail by the enemy, Joe hit a booby trap which blew him up in the air 8 feet in the air. And he came back down and landed on his buttocks with his hand behind him in this position. And the booby trap had blown off his entire right leg across here. And the only thing that was holding on his right leg was a piece of Joe flesh, maybe about as thick as my thumb, was holding his leg to his body. And Joe was semi-conscious. But when Joe regained consciousness and raised up and saw his leg, that he missed a whole leg, he went into shock. When this happened, the medics were on him right away, but Joe never made it to the hospital because they said that he died from shock. And at this time, that when Joe got hit, I couldn't go rush over there to Joe because usually you don't do things like that. I had to move in front of the trail and guard the trail and watch for the enemy so that the medevac, the medical helicopter, could come in and pick Joe up and take him back to one of the real hospitals. And so all this time that I'm waiting for the helicopter to come out, I'm praying to God, please let me see the enemy. Lord, please let me see anyone. And then it got so bad that I was standing there waiting, watching that trail. I said, Lord, anybody, a woman, a child, anybody, I just wanted to kill someone because I lost a real friend. And I've carried this with me from that day until now. I will never ever forget Joe. Although Joe's family might forget him, his wife and his child might forget him, but I will never ever forget Joe.